Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Okay, so today is February the 4th, 2018, and I was asked in the comment section to update the video on the San Francisco and the Santa Barbara begonias that we grew from seed, and then I did transplant them. I transplanted them on January the 19th and January the 20th. So you can see here what they look like. These are the San Franciscos over here. Now they're not pale, it's just the lighting. The camera's having a little bit of an issue pulling the lighting. And I actually want to show you the difference in size between the ones that are getting more light than the other ones. I'm probably going to have to add another light in my grow box, or I'm going to be moving them. I haven't quite decided yet, so I pulled this tray out some so you can see the difference of how they're growing. So these are the San Franciscos here. And then slide this back here. Oops, I put it back a little too far. I'll rearrange it later. And these are the Santa Barbaras. And okay, there are some Santa Barbaras in the other tray, I'm sorry. And you can see even on these, the difference between the ones that are getting more light versus the ones that aren't. So I'm definitely going to have to fix that. Now we are still feeding these with the Miracle Grow for the Begonia seedlings. We feed them once a week with that, and we never feed a dry plant because you can risk spraying the root system. And these are just, they're growing so nice. They have beautiful coloring to them. I'm really excited for when they start blooming. So I wanted to show you that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. And I really appreciate all the people that are subscribing to my channel. And you know, if you want to continue to see more videos like this, please leave a comment down below and tell me, and subscribe so you don't miss a video. So thank yous for watching my video, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.